Please go through the steps. Any doubt? Is it clear? Group discrete steps are clear. If there is any doubt in this question, you can ask. So if this is okay, one more question we are going to do of the same type, mean deviation about mean of group discrete data. Those who join late, group discrete data means the data with the frequency, but there is no class interval. Xi and the Fi are given simply like this. Okay, that is called the group discrete data. Okay, group discrete data. So I think all students those are attending offline came. Today students are online. Okay. So write the next sum of group discrete data for the mean. Find the mean deviation about mean of the following data. Find the mean deviation about mean of the following data. Xi, Fi, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Fi is 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. So this data is also, what type of data it is? Group discrete data, right? Group discrete data. Group discrete data. First of all, you will calculate the mean. What is the formula for finding mean of group discrete data? Sigma Fi Xi by sigma Fi. So please write the table in vertical column form. Horizontal rows are given. You will write vertical column form. Yes, those who studied the last day's sums can easily write the answer. Xi is the first column, 5, then 10, 15, then 20, 25, then Fi, 7, after that 4, then 6, 3, 5. Fi is like this. Then you will multiply Fi Xi. Fi into Xi. So this comes like this: 5 into 7, 35, 10 into 4, 40, 15 into 6. What is 15 into 6? 90, 20 into 3. 20 into 3, 60, then 25 into 5, 125. You will add these two columns, sigma Fi Xi. So please add and tell me how much you got, sigma Fi and sigma Fi Xi. What is sigma Fi first? 25. Then you will add sigma Fi Xi. So please add this one. 350. All of you got the same 350? You got 350. Online, your response please. Did you get 350 sigma Fi Xi? Yes, online remaining students on camera. Those who join late, we are doing mean deviation about mean of discrete data. One more question. Last class we have discussed one question. This is another one, mean deviation about mean. So we are calculating mean first. So now mean is equal to, mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi, we got 350. Mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. That is 350 by 25. What is 350 by 25? Please divide 350 by 25. 14, right? 14. Okay, then you will draw the additional columns. These are the additional columns. Modulus xi minus x bar, modulus xi minus x bar, then fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Modulus xi minus x bar, first one is modulus 5 minus 14, 9. Then modulus 10 minus 14, each xi value minus this x bar. Modulus 10 minus 14 is equal to 4. Modulus 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Modulus 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. Modulus 25 minus 14 is equal to 11. So these are the modulus xi minus x bar. For ungrouped, this was enough. But for grouped question solve, we will multiply this with frequencies. Fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Please multiply, children. 7 into 9. 63. Then 4 into 4. Fi is 4. Modulus xi minus x bar is 4. 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 1, 6. Then 18, 55. Then you will add this one. Sigma Fi into modulus. How much you got? Correct answer. Correct. Yes, others please. Those who completed. Sigma modulus, sigma Fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Sigma Fi into modulus xi minus x bar is equal to 158. 158. Sigma Fi into modulus xi minus x bar is 158. Done. Then you will write down the formula. Mean deviation about MD in bracket x bar, which means mean deviation about mean. What's the formula? Sigma Fi into modulus xi minus x bar upon sigma Fi. That is 158 by 25. Please write. 158 by 25. Yes. Now what is 158 by 25 when you divide? 6.3. 6.32. 6.32. Okay, so this is the answer. So all of you understood how to do group discrete data. Next, we have about mean. One more topic is there. What is that? Grouped continuous data. For grouped continuous data, we use that class 10 step deviation method to calculate the mean. We have studied a step deviation. We can use either direct formula, but multiplication we take long time in continuous. So we will use step deviation method. So I will write the formula, then we start the questions and I will explain how to do step deviation method. Yes, before that, did you complete this one? Online, all of you completed this question?
Yes,
Mean
sir.
deviation about mean, group discrete data, yes. Now please write. Mean deviation about mean of grouped continuous data. Mean deviation about mean of grouped continuous data. mean deviation about mean of group continuous data. Okay, so here we can use either direct formula for finding mean or step deviation method. Direct formula is same as there in the last two. What is that? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Step deviation method is we choose an assumed mean. Assumed mean. Most of the questions, middle value of xi we take as assumed mean. Then we call the assumed mean as small letter a. Small letter a. Then the formula is a plus, you remember, sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. H is the class size, class interval. Class 10, you have studied this formula. So I will write both the formula. Direct method, mean x bar is equal to, we can use either direct method or step deviation method. Direct method, mean x bar is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Same formula as there in the last one. Now, step deviation method. Step deviation method. Mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h, where a is the assumed mean, u is equal to, what was u, do you remember? Xi minus a by h, xi minus a by h, and h is the class size, Mean x bar is a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Actually, the step deviation method is a shortcut method for continuous data. I will explain the questions with that one, step deviation method. Because direct method, you know how to do that one. Last question also we have discussed. And then after calculating mean, we use the same formula as there in grouped discrete. Grouped discrete and continuous. Mean deviation about mean, the same formula we use. So mean deviation about mean is equal to md in bracket x bar. We use the same formula. Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar by sigma fi. For mean deviation about a mean, we use the same formula. Sigma modulus, sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar by sigma fi. So our first task is to calculate x bar. For calculating x bar, we can use either direct method or step deviation method. Now see the heading once again. Continuous data means if the data is given with a class interval like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, that type of class interval and frequency data are called a continuous data. So please write a question. Find the mean deviation about mean of the following data. Find the mean deviation about mean of the following data. Class and frequencies are given. Class, frequency, class and frequencies are given. 10 to 20, 2, 20 to 30, 3, then 30 to 40, 30 to 48, Next, 40 to 50, 14, 50 to 60, 8, 60 to 70, 3, 60 to 73, 60 to 70, it is 3, 70 to 82, 70 to 82. This is the data given. I repeat, 10 to 22, 20 to 33, 30 to 48, 40 to 50, 14, 50 to 68, 60 to 73, 70 to 82. So this type of data are called the grouped continuous data. Is it clear the nature? Group continuous data, in case if it is not a continuous interval, you will convert by subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit. For example, if the data is 10 to 19, then starting with 20, 20 to 19, you will convert like that. Okay, then only we can calculate H and all, but here it is not a problem because 10 to 20, then starting with the same number. What is the class size? 10. Class size is upper limit minus lower limit. H is 10. Okay, H is equal to 10. So here also we start by writing the vertical column. First column, class, and second column, frequency. We copy the class and frequency. Classes are 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, after that 30 to 40, 40 to 50, then 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. These are the classes. Then we write frequencies, Fi. We call these frequencies as Fi, 2, 3, 8, 14, 8, 3, 2. These are the frequencies. These are the frequencies. Then after writing class and frequency, what is next? Xi. Xi is the middle value of each interval. The middle value we calculate like this: lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 10 plus 20, 30 by 2. 30 by 2 is 15. Just by looking also we can see 10 to 20, the middle value is 15. What is the middle value of 20 to 30? 25. Next, 35. Last year you have done the same, right? So please write the middle value of each class, that is our Xi. It is 15, then 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, and 75. These are the Xi values. Then, after writing Xi, you will select an A. A is, look at here, how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 45, the middle value. In case if there are two middle values, one of them we can choose, okay? In case, here there is only one middle value. When the number of terms are odd, there is only one middle value. The number of terms are even, two middle values will be there. So that time we have to choose one of them. So here, A is equal to 45. So this is our A. A is 45. Next column is UI. So we are going to do this by what method? Step deviation method. Okay, UI. UI is Xi minus A by H. Okay, there is an easy method of finding UI. Last year, teachers have taught you what is that method of writing. That is a method. Okay. UI corresponds to, please listen, UI of, you don't have to substitute and calculate. Okay, instead an easy. If you substitute, for example, first value will be 15 minus 45 by h. H is 10. 15 minus 45 is how much? Minus 30. Minus 30 by 10. Here it comes minus 3. But the easy method is write down the ui of that a as 0. Ui of a, we can directly write 0. On top of that, we write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. On bottom of that, we write 1, 2, 3. So this is a method of writing. What is the easy method of writing, Kevin? Ui of a is a 0. On top of that, how to write? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Below this, we write 1, 2, 3. Like this, within seconds, we can write the ui value. Okay? We don't have to spend time to calculate this one. Is it clear?
So does this apply for every question?
Every question, this is applicable. Okay? Only thing is, you will convert that into non-continuous classes to continuous. Other questions, all it is applicable. UI within seconds, like this we can write. Is it clear? Should I explain again? All of you got it clear, that one? Yes. Now the next is Fi into Ui. Next we have to multiply Fi into Ui. So next column, you will multiply this Fi into Ui. Look at their Fi. 2. 2 into minus 3. What is 2 into minus 3? Minus 6. Then 3 into minus 2. Then 8 into minus 8. 8 into minus 1. Minus 8. 14 into 0. 0. 8 into 1. 8. 3 into 2. 6. Then you will add the negative terms and the positive terms. Their difference will be sigma Fi Ui. What is the sum of negative terms here? Minus 20. And sum of positive terms? Okay. It is not necessary to be the same. Here it comes same. The difference will be sigma Fi Ui. So what is sigma Fi Ui in this question? It is 0. Sigma Fi Ui is 0. Clear? Sigma Fi Ui is 0. Then we write sigma Fi. Sigma Fi. Please write sigma Fi and them. Sigma Fi. Yes. Sigma Fi is 40. Now we calculate x bar. After calculating x bar, we have to write 2 more columns. Xi minus x bar, modulus Xi minus x bar, and Fi into modulus Xi minus x bar. Did you complete till here? Okay. So now we calculate the mean. Mean x bar is equal to, what's the formula for mean x bar? Correct. Very good. A plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into H. Now you please substitute. A plus sigma Fi Ui. A is 45 plus 0 by 40 into 10. 0 by 40 into 10 is how much? So x bar is 45. X bar is 45. X bar is 45. Now, how many more columns to be constructed? 2 more columns. What are the 2 more columns you know? Modulus Xi minus x bar, then Fi into modulus Xi minus x bar. Okay. Yes, all of you completed till this step online. Everybody finished till here.
Yes.
Done till here. Yes. Camera, Haider, Yunus, Sanobar, Noel, Joshua, Vishnu, Keithani, all of you please. Okay, so now we write 2 more, we draw 2 more columns. These are the 2 more columns. Xi minus x, modulus Xi minus x bar. Modulus Xi minus x bar is equal to modulus 15 minus 45. What is modulus 15 minus 45? 30. Okay. Next, 25 minus 45. Modulus 25 minus 45 is 20. Then modulus 35 minus 45. is 10. Modulus 45 minus 45 is 0. Again, modulus 55 minus 45 is 10. Modulus 65 minus 45 is 20. Modulus 75 minus 45 is equal to 30. This is a modulus xi minus x bar. Now the final column, fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Last column, fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Multiply children fi, that is 2 into 30, right? Fi is 2. 2 into 30. 2 into 30 is 60. Then 3 into 20, again 60. 8 into 10, 80. 14 into 0, that is 0. 80, 60, 60. Then you will add this. So what is that? Sigma fi modulus xi minus x bar? 400. So sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar is 400. Clear? Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar is 400. Done? Then write down mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean is equal to md in bracket x bar. Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar upon sigma fi. That is equal to 400 by 40. What is 400 by 40? This is the answer. So the sum is clear. Shall we do one more question of the same type? Okay, one more question of the same type. So that one I will give you the time to try this one. Yes, hope you all completed. Next turn. Find the mean deviation about mean of the following. Find the mean deviation about mean of the following. Find the mean deviation about mean of the following. Class and frequencies. First class 0 to 100. For then 100 to 200, 8, 200 to 300, 9, 300 to 400, that is 10, 400 to 500, 7, 500 to 600, 5, 600 to 700, 4, 700 to 800, 3, 700 to 800, it is 3. 700 to 800 is 3. Please write. 0 to 100, 4, 100 to 208, 200 to 300, 9, 300 to 400, 10, 400 to 500, 7, 500 to 600 is 5, 600 to 700 is 4, 700 to 800, 3. This is again continuous data. Please try. You will write the vertical column. So by the time when I take the attendance, all of you can try completing this one. Attendance, Aaron. Aaron today online. Aaron, are you in online? Yes, yes. Okay. Then Alvin, Alvania,
Sir,
Yes,
if there
those
are
two
even
values.
number of class intervals, then
Hmm.
then
Then
do we take
two middle
from
values are there. You can take
Hmm.
the one which is having the highest frequency out of the two middle value. There is no problem for taking one of them, but the one with the highest frequency, if you take the multiplication, you can avoid that bigger number multiplication. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Finish now. Yes, those who have doubt, please listen. We copy class and frequency. Class and frequencies we copy. Classes are 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, 400 to 500, then 500 to 600, 600 to 700, 700 to 800. The classes we copy. Then the frequencies. What are the frequencies? 4, 8, then 9, 10, 7, 5, 4, 3. These are the frequencies. So then we write xi, the middle value of each class. Yes, what are the values xi? 0 to 100, the middle value is 50, then 150, 250, 350, 450, 550, 650, and 750 are the middle values. Okay. So then we write UI. Before that, we choose A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values are there. Two middle values, 350 and 450. Yes, which one you took? 350, right? 350. There is no problem for choosing one of them, but I choose one with the highest frequency, that is 350. Okay, 350. Now the UI corresponds to xi will be 0 on top, -1, -2, -3 bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will multiply fi into ui. Fi into ui. -12, -16, -9, then 0, 7, 10, 12, 12. Add the negative numbers, add these positive numbers, and take the differences. Yes, what's the sum of the negative numbers? Yes, 28 plus 9 minus 37. And sum of positive numbers, how much you got? 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 12, 41. What is the difference of these two? That is sigma fi ui, 4. All of you got sigma fi ui is equal to 4 by this calculation. Yes. Now sigma fi. Sigma fi is equal to, what is the sum of frequencies? 50. Sum of frequencies is 50. Then you will calculate mean. Mean x bar is equal to ui of, Haider, please listen, ui of that selected A will be 0. Then on top of that, we write -1, -2, -3. And below this 0, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. That is the logic of writing ui. Clear? Okay, so now we write mean. Mean x bar is equal to, mean x bar is equal to A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So this is A. A is 350 plus 4 by 50 into h is 100. So that is 350 plus 4 by 2, right? Yes. How much we get? 350 plus 8, 4 into 2. That is, so 358. 18 we get 4 by 50 into 100, right? So 50 and 100 we cut 2. 4 2s are 8, is it? 358. So mean x bar is 358. Done till here. Mean x bar is 358. Next, 2 more columns. What are the 2 more columns? Modulus xi minus x bar, then fi into that value, modulus xi minus x bar. Yes. So hope you all have done till here online. Everybody finished till here. Next, modulus xi minus x bar. Yes, please subtract. Modulus 50 minus 358. What is that? 50 minus 358? 308. 308. Next, modulus 150 minus 358. 208. Modulus 250 minus 358. 108. 350 minus 358 is 8. 450 minus 358. What is the difference? 92, correct. 92, then 192. Next, 650 minus 358. 292. Last is 392. Then you have to multiply fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Multiply. 4 into 308. Multiply 4 into 308. What is 4 into 308? 1232. 1232. 1232. Next, 8 into 208. 8 into 208. 1664. Okay, so please do this calculation. Calculation, it takes time. CBSE, they don't allow calculator. So you have to do the manual multiplication. Next, 9 into 108. 972, right? 972. 10 into 8. 7 into 92. 644. 5 into 192. 960. Then 4 into 292. 1168. 3 into 392. 1176. Okay, clear? Then you will add this one. Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Please add this one and tell me what is the value. Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar. So all of you please add. Sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar. Yes. How much you got? 7,800. 96, correct answer. 7896. 7896. Now the final step. So the sum is 7896. Yes. Now the final step is mean deviation about mean is equal to sigma fi into modulus xi minus x bar upon sigma fi. That is equal to 7896 by 50. 7896 by 50. So please divide 7896 by 50. Yes, what will be the value? 7896 by 50. Correct answer. 157.92. How many of you got this? 157.92. Yes. 157.92. 5-marker question. Yes. Basic operations, addition, multiplication, division, right? Subtraction also there. If you are good in basic operations, easily you will get. You're all good in basic operation, but that concentration, okay, the numbers writing and without any mistake, doing the multiplication, that concentration if you have, you will easily get full. Formulas are easy, right? Yes. Kevin, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Ruth, if it is asked like this, round off to the nearest number, you will write 158. Otherwise, we can leave the answer like this, 157.92. Okay, that accurate decimal form. But if round off or approximate answer, if it is asked, you will convert like this. Okay, 158. Any other doubts, children? Okay, so here ends the first topic of mean deviation. See, look at the pages, you can see mean deviation about mean. We studied mean deviation about mean of what all data, mean deviation about mean of ungrouped data. All these things are in your mind, right? In a frame, ungrouped data. After ungrouped data, we studied grouped discrete data, means without class interval but with frequency, then group continuous data. The same way, we have one more, mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median. That also we have to study all these. Median, ungrouped data, group discrete, and then grouped continuous. Last year, you have studied a median, how to calculate median. Okay, so the same calculation we do. Okay, so please write mean deviation about median, subheading mean deviation about median. MD in bracket capital M. MD in bracket capital M, mean deviation about median, MD in bracket capital M. Mean it was MD X bar. Here MD capital M represents median. Here first one, ungrouped data. Again we start the same order, ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means the data will be given without a frequency. So when you get ungrouped data, all of you know median is the middlemost value. Middlemost value is median. Mean is average, but median is middlemost value. First step is you should write the data in ascending order. Ascending order or descending order. Normally we write ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Okay. Then we find the middlemost value. There also, if number of terms is odd, then the middle value will be n plus 1 by 2th term. Last year or 9th you have studied. Last year also in AP, you have done this one. To find the middlemost term of AP, you have done the same thing. Then if number of terms is even, there are two middle terms. What are the two middle terms, you know? N by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th term. Then we find the mean of these two. Mean of these two means add them and divide by 2. Okay, so that way we get the median. For example, last sum, it was a number of terms even. We could see two middle terms when we were calculating A, right? The same way in median also. So this is the working rule. Step number 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. Step number 1, arrange the data in ascending order. In ascending order means small to big. Step number 2, if the number of terms n is odd, if the number of terms small letter n is odd, if the number of terms n is odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term. Then as its continuation we can write, if n is even, then median is equal to mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th data. If n is even, then median is mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th data. If n is even, then median is mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th data. Yes, did you write this? So after calculating median is denoted by the letter capital M. So here I will note down that median capital M. Then mean deviation about median. Step number 3, calculate mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median. A short form is MD in bracket capital M is equal to, same as there in mean deviation about mean, sigma. There is no frequency, so what will be there? Modulus xi minus m. Here instead of x bar it is median m divided by the number of terms n. So look at this, and the mean deviation about mean, both are same. Here in place of x bar, it comes capital M. Capital M is the median. Okay, so now we discuss the question. Yes, did you write the working rule? Now write a question. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. And these are the data. 3, 9, 5, 3, 12, 10, 18, 4, 7, 19, 21. 3, 9, 5, 3, 12, 10, 18, 4, 7, 19, 21. Okay. So here, first of all, we will write the data in what order? Ascending order, ascending order. We will write this data as vertical column. Yes, vertical column when you write, which is the smallest among this? 3. How many
So
threes
could you
are
show
there?
from the third step?
Third step, okay. Yes, mean deviation about median. Please write the formula, mean deviation about median. Sigma modulus xi minus m by n. Yes, did you write?
Yes.
Now this question, first step is to write the data in ascending order. As a vertical column, we will write 3, how many times it is there? 2 times, so 3, 3. Then what is the next in ascending order? 3, 3 I wrote, then 4. Yes, next. Yes. So 3, 3, 4. Next is 5. Yes, after 5, what is the next one? 7. Then after 7, 9. Next one. After 9, what is the number? 10 is there. Then 12 is there. After that, 18. Then last 19 is there. Then one more is there. What is that? 21. Okay. So we will write the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Okay. What is the number of terms? How many terms are here? 11 terms are here. 11 terms. Okay. Then below this, I calculate the median. Okay. So median is, since there are 11 terms, so number of terms n is equal to 11. Number of terms n is 11. So when the number of terms is odd, which is odd, when the number of terms is odd, what is the median? Median capital M is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term. So that is equal to 11 plus 1 by 2th term. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 by 2, 6th term. 6th term. Now, what is the 6th term from this data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th term is 9. So the median is 9. Median is 9. Is it clear, student, the calculation of median? So please write number of terms n is 11. Median is n plus 1 by 2th term. That is 11 plus 1 by 2th term. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 2 is 6. 6th term, which is equal to 9. 6th term is 9. Done? Yes. Okay, so now to the right side, we do the calculation. Modulus xi minus x bar. So here we do the calculation. Modulus xi minus x bar.
Xi minus m, right, sir?
Sorry, m, capital M. Modulus xi minus capital M. Not x bar, capital M. Okay, that is first one, modulus 3 minus 11. Like that, each one you please calculate. Modulus 3 minus 11 is 8. Again, modulus 3 minus 11, 8. Modulus 4 minus 11, that is 7. Modulus 5 minus 11 is equal to 6. Modulus 7 minus 11 equal to 4. Modulus 9 minus 11 is equal to, what is that? 2. Modulus 10 minus 11 is equal to, oh sorry, not 11, 9. Change again, 9. Why did I take 11 here? 9 is the number. So modulus 3 minus 9 is equal to 6. Modulus 3 minus 9 is 6. Modulus 4 minus 9 is equal to 5. 5 minus 9 is equal to 4. 7 minus 9 is 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 9, 1. Like this, we calculate modulus xi minus m. Please continue and get all the values. What is next one? Modulus 12 minus 9, that is equal to 3. Then modulus 18 minus 9 is 9. Modulus 19 minus 9 is 10. Modulus 21 minus 9 is equal to how much? 12. Then you will find sigma of this, sum of this, okay? Yes, how much you got sum of this? 58, 58. All of you got 58. So sigma modulus xi minus m is calculated. Next is sigma modulus xi minus m. Sigma modulus xi minus m. Is equal to 58. Sigma modulus xi minus m is equal to 58. Then you will write the formula. Mean deviation about median is equal to sigma modulus xi minus m upon, what is this? 58 by number of terms. Yes. So what is the answer in decimal? 5.27. 5.27 is the answer. 5.27 is the answer. Any doubts, children? All of you understood? Okay. So we do one more question. In that question, number of terms will be even. When number of terms are even, how do you calculate median? There are two middle terms, n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1 the term. You will find out the mean of the two middle terms. Before that, all of you completed this? From online responses, please. Did you complete this one?
Yes, sir.
Joshua Fernandez, Shivali, Haider, Ruth, Fatima, Noel Joshua. All of you finished, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Done. Okay. One more question of the same type. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. 13, 17, 16, 14, then 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 terms are there, right? 12 terms. Okay, what is the first step? Writing the data in ascending order. Okay, so please write the data in ascending order. So write the data in ascending order, then we start. Which is the smallest one? 10. 10 is the smallest, okay. Yes, I will give you 1 minute or 2 minutes. All of you, please try this one. Yes. How many of you got median, at least median? Yes. Kevin, correct answer. Median is correct. You can continue. Those who finished a median, please put that in the chat box online, offline. They got the answer. Aaron, median slight error. It is in decimal, in 0.5 we are getting, because mean of the two values we take. Okay. Now listen, those who have doubt, please listen. Xi we copy Xi in ascending order. Smallest is 10. Then we got 11. Then 12. 12, how many 12s are there? 2 are there. Then 13. Again 13. Then 14. 16. 16. 17. 17. Then 18.
112.
Sorry?
Only 112.
112 only there. Let me check. 11 2 are there. You are correct. 11 2 are there. So there are 2 11s. There are 2 11s, only 112. Okay. Next, based on this, we calculate a median. How many terms are here? 12 terms are here, right? So median is equal to number of terms is 12. Number of terms n is 12, which is even. So median is equal to mean of n by 2th, mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th data. So this is equal to mean of n by 2th. N by 2th is 12 by 2th and 12 by 2 plus 1 the data, which is mean of 12 by 2. 12 by 2 is how much? 6th and 7th data or 7th term. It's not 6 plus 7 by 2. Instead, 6th term. What is the 6th term? Count the 6th term. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th term is 13. 7th term is 14. So 13 plus 14 by 2. Clear? 6th term is 13. 7th term is 14. They are mean. Mean means add them and divide by 2. 13 plus 14. 27 by 2. What is that? 13.5. So this is the median. Median capital M is 13.5. Clear? Median capital M. Any doubts, children? Yes. Please write the steps. If there is any doubt, you can ask. Mean of these two, when the number of terms. Mean means yes. If you finish till here, now we have one more column. Yes. Again, Kevin got the answer. Kevin, decimals, please check. Then,
So, sorry, sir.
Decimal, please check, Kevin. The decimal number figures are correct. The digits are correct, okay? So now modulus xi minus m. First is modulus 10 minus 13.5. What is modulus 10 minus 13.5? 3.5. 3.5. Then modulus 11 minus 13.5. It is 2.5. Again, modulus 11 minus 13.5. 2.5. Modulus 12 minus 13.5 is equal to 1.5. Modulus 13 minus 13.5 is 0.5. Yes, now correct answer. Modulus 13 minus 13.5 again. That is also 0.5. Modulus 14 minus 13.5 is 0.5. Modulus 16 minus 13.5. What is that? 2.5. Then again modulus 16 minus 13.5. 2.5. Modulus 17 minus 13.5 is equal to 3.5. Again modulus 17 minus 13.5. 3.5. Modulus 18 minus 13.5 is equal to 4.5. Then you have to add them and we get sigma modulus xi minus m. Sigma modulus xi minus m. What is that value? Sigma modulus.
So 14 minus 13.5 is 1.5, sir.
No, 0.5. 14 minus 13.5. 14 minus 12.5 is 1.5, right? 14 minus
Oh,
13.5
yes, sir.
is 0.5. Now all the values are okay, right? So what is their sum? 28. Its sum is 28. So for statistics, this is the only concern. Calculation error, okay? Calculation error, if you can avoid, you will easily get full mark. Yes, now you will write down the formula. Mean deviation about median, MD in bracket capital M is equal to sigma modulus xi minus m by n. That is 28 by number of terms 12. Yes. What is 28 by 12? When you cut this one, how much we get by 4? 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is how much? 2.3. 2.3. 2.33 or 2.3. This is the right answer. So ungrouped data, is it clear? What is next? Group discrete data. Group discrete data. Group discrete data also we use the same method, but we write an additional column, okay? That is called cumulative frequency. Actually, group continuous data you have studied last year. Group discrete you did not study in detail. So there we use cumulative frequency. Median group discrete how we studied last year? You have studied, okay. So please write. Yes, hope you all completed this one. Okay, ungrouped data is fine, especially the even number of terms. There are two middle terms. We take the mean of these two. Next, group discrete data. Second of this category. Group discrete data. Here the difference is in the formula. Remaining steps are almost the same. Mean deviation about median. So what is the additional part in the formula? You will multiply frequency. There is frequency. So Fi into modulus xi minus m by sigma Fi. It is same as mean deviation about mean. Sigma Fi into, when there is group data, frequencies will be there. So you will multiply with that frequency. So please write sigma Fi into modulus xi minus m by sigma Fi. I will explain this with the help of a question. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. Right. Find the mean deviation about median of the following. Find find the mean deviation about median of the following. And these are the data xi and fi, xi and fi.
Excuse me, sir, can you show the top part?
Yes. Formula, please write. Xi and fi, 15, frequency is 3, like this data are given, no class interval, but frequencies. That is called a discrete data. Next, 21, 5, 27, 6, 30, it is 7, 35, 8, 35, 8. $35, 8. Okay. Next, first step is to calculate median. So you will write the data in vertical column. 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. Then frequencies we copy. Frequencies 3, 5, 6, then 7, 8. These are the frequencies. So here to find the middlemost value, we will write cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies means, what does it mean? 15, 3, 21, 5. This means 15, it repeats 3 times. 15, how many times it repeats? Like this, 15, 15, 15. Instead of repeated writing, it is given like this, 15, 3 times. 21, how many times it repeats? 5 times. So actually this is a data. Actually this is an ungrouped data, right? It's an ungrouped data, but that ungrouped data, instead of writing this repeated times, it's summarized like this. 27, how many times it repeats 27? Yes, like this, 27, 27, 27, 27. So it doesn't look good, right? To write like this, 27. Okay, actually it is an ungrouped data, but it is summarized in this form of discrete when there are repeated times. So here, to get the total, we calculate the cumulative frequency. So the next column is CF. CF means cumulative frequency. Last year also you have studied this cumulative frequency. Do you remember? We write 3, then 3 plus 5. That means add it to the previous frequencies. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8. What does it mean? 3 plus 5, 8 means when we write 15 3 times, 21 5 times, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms are covered till there. Is it clear? Total how many terms are covered till there? 8 terms. Is it clear? That is what? 21. When we reach the last 21, total how many terms it will reach? 8 terms. So this cumulative frequency will give you the number of terms. Okay, total number of terms. Next we write 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6, 14. What does it mean? When we write the remaining 6 more 27, total how many terms are there? 14 terms are there. So here we write 14, 8 plus 6. Next, what is the cumulative frequency? 21. Next, 29. Which means, what is the total number of terms? 29. Is it clear? If you write all these numbers, we get 29 terms. That 29 is our n. Here n is 29. Is it clear? N is the last cumulative frequency will be the number of terms. N is 29. Or sigma fi also will be the same. Sigma fi also will be 29. If you have doubt, you can ask. Sorry, you can add and check. What is the sigma fi? Is it 29? Yes, it is 29. Understood the meaning of this cumulative frequency? So then we write same calculation as there in the last one. Here, number of terms, n is 29. Number of terms, n is 29. This is odd number or even number? Odd number, right? Odd number. Okay, odd, which is odd. Then median equal to, we use the same formula. What is the median? N plus 1 by 2th data. That is equal to 29 plus 1 by 2th data. What is 29 plus 1? 30. 30 by 2? 15th data. 15th data. Okay. 15th data. Clear? Same formula as there in the ungrouped one. Okay. Till here, everybody got. Here? Yes. See, for that, we have to look at the cumulative frequency. First, 1, 2, 3. 3 data are 15, right? 3 terms are 15. Next, 4th term to 8th term is which one? 21. That is what cumulative frequency is. Now, after 8, what is the number? 9th, right? 9th term to which term? 14th term is 27. 15th term to 21st term is 30. So, what is 15th term? 30. 15th term is 30. Is it clear? So, 15th term is 30. 15th term is 30. Got it? I repeat. 1, 2, 3. First 3 terms are 50. 15 3 times. Next, 4th term to 8th term is 21. Cumulative frequency 8 means the next 4th to 8th term 21. 9th to 14th term is which one? 27. 15th to 21st term is 30. So 15th term is 30. Clear? 15th term is 30. Then same as there in the last one. So median is 30. Median M is 30. Sorry, M is 30. Yes, median M is 30. Next, modulus. What is the next column, children? Modulus xi minus m. That is modulus 15 minus 30. What is modulus 15 minus 30? 15. Modulus 21 minus 30. Modulus 27 minus 30. 3. Modulus 30 minus 30. 0. Modulus 35 minus 30, it is 5. Then one more column is required here. What is that? Fi into modulus xi minus m. Fi into modulus xi minus m. Fi is 3. So 3 into 15, multiply 3 into 15, 45. Then 5 into 9, again 45. Then 6 into 3, 18. 7 into 0, it is 0. 8 into 5 is 40. Then you will add this sigma Fi into modulus xi minus m. Yes, what is the sum? 148. It is 148. We write this calculation, 148. Then final step, write down the formula and substitute. Mean deviation about median is equal to, what's the formula? Sigma Fi into modulus xi minus m upon sigma Fi. That is equal to 148 by 29. 29 is the number of times sigma Fi. What is this base divide? 5.1. Answer is 5.1. 5.1 is the answer. Okay. 5.1 is the answer. So all of you understood the idea of discrete one, especially that calculating by counting, calculating, you can easily score. Okay. So thank you all. And complete the DPPs. Last day I did not send because of only a few topics are done in statistics. So today I will send you the DPP and study the sums from the notebook and then do the daily practice problem. Okay. Yes.